CIG Television News Brief on this Wednesday evening. I'm Donna Bush. On Wednesday, parliamentarians deliberated on the future of public transport in the Cayman Islands Preliminary Policy Framework, which is a green paper. It outlines potential strategies and policies for improving the public transport system. In addition, several important reports will be tabled for review and discussion during the session for those who are unable to tune into the Wednesday morning and afternoon sessions. The full day of proceedings is available to watch on the Cayman Islands Government's official YouTube channel. The Ministry of Sustainability, Climate Resiliency and Wellness celebrated a milestone on Tuesday with the official opening of the Ponciana Rehabilitation Center, a transformative facility for mental health care in the Cayman Islands. The launch event took place on site at the East End facility, attended by government officials, public and private sector representatives, nonprofit organizations, and key stakeholders from the community. In her remarks, Premier and Minister for Health, the Honorable Juliana O'Connor Connolly, highlighted the dedication and collaboration required to bring the facility to life. Minister for Sustainability, Climate Resiliency and Wellness, the Honorable Dwayne Seymour, emphasized the importance of a community-driven approach to mental health.
Far too long, our people have been separated from their families in an effort to get the comprehensive mental health care that they need, a catch-22 given that family and community support are essential components of our mental health, mental well-being. Ponciana will allow us for the first time to offer residential mental health services within the Cayman Islands in a therapeutic setting aimed at ensuring that residents of the facilities are supported and remain connected to their families, friends, and extended community. Yet, as our Honorable Premier alluded to, earlier, Ponciana is so much more than the buildings, but us.
The Ponciana Rehabilitation Center is a state-of-the-art inpatient facility that offers compassionate and comprehensive care for individuals in need of mental health support. The center will focus on individuals experiencing residual symptoms of mental illnesses or coexisting conditions that require additional stabilization and rehabilitation. Now, one of the primary goals of the facility is to improve patients' functionality through rehabilitation activities, enabling their reintegration into society. Services offered will include counseling, psychiatric care and management, comorbid treatment, and training in vocational, educational, and social skills, all provided in a safe and supportive environment.
This vision has guided the development of the strategic and operational objectives of Ponciana, and this is also aligned with the purpose and vision in the Civil Service Strategic Plan, which is to make the lives of those we serve better and to be a world-class civil service.
Now, to support families with unique circumstances, a dedicated clinical manager will be able to provide tailored guidance and ensure that the best outcomes for patients and their loved ones happen. The opening of the Ponciana Rehabilitation Center underscores the Cayman Islands government's commitment to addressing critical mental health needs and creating supportive framework for mental wellness across the Cayman Islands. In a significant ceremony marking the Cayman Islands National Museum's 34th anniversary, the Honorable Isaac Rankin, Minister for Youth, Sports, Heritage, and Home Affairs, renewed the lease of the historic Old Courts building to the museum. The renewal was symbolized by the ceremonial exchange of a coil of thatch rope, a meaningful tradition deeply rooted in Caymanian heritage.
That is 34 years of preserving and educating Caymanians, residents, and visitors alike in our rich heritage. The Cayman Islands National Museum is housed in this 19th century structure, which is very fitting given that it's the oldest standing public building in the Cayman Islands. This building has served the community in many facets, from a court and jailhouse, the Cayman's first post office, to a schoolroom, a public library, and more.
The Old Courts building remains a cornerstone of Cayman's history. The museum's dedication to preserving and showcasing the nation's culture and traditions continues to flourish as well. All right, let's have a look at what we can expect weather-wise this Wednesday. Light to moderate winds and seas are expected today as that pressure gradient weakens across the Northwest Caribbean region. An increase in winds and seas are expected overnight as a high-pressure system builds over the southeastern United States. Tonight, expect partly cloudy skies with a 30% chance of showers. Seas will be slight to moderate with wave heights of 2 to 4 feet. The outlook is for a continued increase in winds and seas through to Saturday morning as that pressure gradient across the northwest Caribbean strengthens. Some swells are also likely along the western coast from Thursday evening, and rough seas are expected from Friday along the northern and eastern coasts of the islands. A small craft warning is expected to be in place from Friday evening. A reminder to all of you out there to check out the best source for local weather coverage. That's the Cayman Islands National Weather Service's website, as well as their Facebook page. If you're watching us on our CIG YouTube channel, we ask that you take a moment to like, share, and subscribe for the most accurate local government news. I'm Donna Bush. Have a great night.